Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO Reno 12FS, and today I will show you how you can insert your SIM and SD card into this device. Before we get started, you will need to grab a SIM eject tool, which will look, I would say, similar to this one, but not really. But basically it's a tool that is provided with the device and it has a metal point. Now if you can't find it, you could use a paper clip, shouldn't one at the ends, and it should work just as well. And once you have either one of those, you can then pop out the tray, which is located at the bottom of the phone right here. You can see the little tray, and this closer to the edge little hole is the one that you want to use your tool to pop out the tray. So right here where the pin is holding, push it in, and you can see that the tray pops out enough for you to be able to grab it and pull it out. On the tray you have space with one SIM card at the front, and then at the back you have a SIM/SD tray. Now if you're planning to use dual SIM, you would place one of the SIM cards sideways on the SD tray like so. Obviously this removes the ability for you to use SD card. I'll be using one of each, so I'm gonna flip it over to the front. There we go. Clip that in place. Now you do want to make sure that the cards are clipped in place correctly. They should not be falling out if you flip the card over without obviously holding the cards, and they should not be protruding from the tray. Now once that's the case, simply insert it back into your device. There we go. And as you can see, the card starts working right away. It's prompting me to put in my SIM card pin, so I'm gonna verify that quickly. This unlocks my SIM card, and we should probably also have some kind of notification about SD card, if I can find it. I guess we don't have any kind of SD card info, so I'm just gonna open up settings just so I can showcase that it is working. And that will be located somewhere in the storage, which is probably, yep, about device, and you can see it right here, SD card, 32 gigs free of 64, so it is detecting it. Now, with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.